morning to everyone. Today is a very special day. It is World Earth Day today, a day that reminds us the importance of our planet and the need to protect it. I am Anam from class 3rd A, wishing you all a healthy Earth Day on the behalf of our ASM family. We celebrate Earth Day every year on April 22 to spread awareness about environmental protection. Our planet is the only home we have and we must take care of it for future generations.
There's no doubt that our planet is facing some significant challenges with every passing day. The climate is getting worse and it is our duty to save and conserve Mother Nature. Pollution, deforestation and loss of biodiversity are just a few of the issues that we need to address.
It is clear that we need to take actions to address these challenges, and there are many things we can do to make a difference. Each one of us has the power to make a positive impact on the planet, and it starts with small steps.
Reducing our carbon footprint is an important step. We can do this by using public transportation, walking or cycling instead of driving or using vehicles which causes emission of harmful gases, as it is good for our health and also reduce harmful emissions. Wasting water is one of the biggest problems which impact the health of the people. Taking measures to use less water is something you can start right away. Don't leave the tap open, close the tap properly. Coal and natural gas are the most common source of energy used to generate electricity. The burning of these substances is a major factor in world air pollution. Reducing your reliance on electricity is a great way to play a part in saving the planet. Shut off electric equipment when you leave from the classroom and homes. Turn off unneeded lights even when you are leaving from the room for a short time.
These are some of the initiatives we can take to save our planet. If we want cleaner air to breathe, clean water to drink, and land capable of growing crops, we need to take steps to save these resources. Let us pledge to do every single small step which can lead us to a healthy green environment and can be a reason to